So let us start with the chapter number 5, reconstitution of partnership, death of partner. Okay. In the reconstitution, this is a third situation. First of all, we learned about the admission of new partner. Then number 4, chapter number 4, हमने देख लिया retirement of partner. And now we want to see number 5, that is a death of partner. So in case of any death of partner, what is the treatment, accounting treatment? What is the treatment of goodwill? Where to transfer mainly is the issue. Where to transfer the balance of capital of deceased partner? कहाँ पे transfer करना है? So all this part we are going to learn in this particular theory part. First of all, I would like to explain to you that in case of a death of partner, what partner's legal nominee or legal executor or administrator they are getting, because see, he is a deceased partner, तो उसका जो legal hair होगा, okay, उसको ही तो payment मिलने वाला है. So here first of all we need to pay him what, आपण त्याला काय काय द्यायला पाहिजे. We need to pay him capital amount, number 1. Then the share of general reserve or reserve fund, share of any profit earned till the date of death of that particular partner, which is actually called as a profit and loss suspense. आता त्याला profit and loss suspense का म्हणायचं हे मी explain करणार तुम्हाला. Okay, during solution मी तुम्हाला explain करीन. Then goodwill, okay, and then profit or loss on the revaluation of the assets and liabilities. Then also we are going to charge him for drawings, if any interest on drawings, interest on capital, we are going to give it to him. Then salary to partner, any commission to partner, all these things are considered while doing the payment of the deceased partner's capital balance to his legal executor. Okay. Now, what is the meaning given to you? Okay. A partner will cease to be a partner on his death. In case of death, he is no more a partner. मैं तो partner म्हणून राहणारच नाही ना. Hence, death is considered as a compulsory retirement. Death is a compulsory retirement. He is going out of the world only. Partnership business may be continued by surviving partners if partnership or makes provision in the partnership deed. Other partners, they will continue. Surviving partners, म्हणजे जे बाकीचे जिवंत partners आहेत, okay, ते मात्र business continue करणार आहेत. They will continue. Partners make arrangement to settle account of deceased partner with his legal representative who will be entitled at their choice to interest at 6% per annum on amount due from the date of death to the date of payment. So other partners, surviving partners are doing the arrangement and they are doing the payment to that particular legal executor. But till that time, you know that the interest at the rate 6% per annum is payable to on that particular amount. Now the new profit sharing ratio is similar to, the retirement of the partner. On the death of partner, profit sharing ratio of remaining partners changes. Profit sharing ratio of remaining partners increases because of profit sharing of deceased partner gets divided and received by remaining partner. Of course, जो partner गया, मर गया, उसका share बाकी surviving partners को मिलने ही वाला है. Gain ratio or benefit ratio is the same. Okay, I'm not reading the complete thing because that is not important. You know the formula. Gain ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Because in this ratio only remaining partners or surviving partners are getting the benefit in the profit, in the future profit of the firm. Then revaluation of the assets and liabilities. Assets and liabilities are revalued. See, the assets and liabilities are revalued for the purpose of any kind of reconstitution, whether it is admission of partner, retirement of partner, death of partner. सबके लिए हमको adjustment तो करना ही पड़ता है. Okay. So whatever actually the changes in the assets and liabilities are recorded through profit and loss adjustment account or revaluation account. You can see here the profit and loss adjustment account is prepared by me. Then the profit or loss is transferred to all partners. Okay. And finally, the accounts are either closed. Okay. For deceased partner, capital balance is transferred to his legal executor's loan. इथे बघा दिसतंय. Point number 5.5. Amount due to deceased partners, executors, nominee, administrator. Capital balance. Capital of deceased partner is calculated on the basis of balance of capital of deceased partner shown in the last balance sheet. Then share of profit or loss on revaluation. General reserve, accumulated profit or loss, share of goodwill, salary to partner, interest on capital, interest on drawings, and the profit up to the date of death. This particular point is very, very important. Okay. मतलब ये आपके लिए नया point है. Okay. This is called as a profit and loss suspense. And settlement of the amount due, payment कैसे करना है? The amount due to deceased partner is transferred to his executor oblique nominee oblique administrator's loan account, and it is paid to them after completing all legal formalities and procedures. So finally, the amount which is payable to payable or account, capital account of deceased partner to his executor, it is paid to them, but after the completion of the legal formalities. And whatever accurate time which is taken for that purpose, 6% interest is payable. Accounting treatment for preparing accounts of deceased partner is similar to that of a retirement of the partner. Same ही होता है. So there is no much change about this. Now I'm directly moving to the explanation of the exercise number 1. Okay. So you need to pay more attention for the explanation of the exercise. आपको अच्छी तरह से देखना चाहिए. Okay, I'm going to solve the same on the board. Now here, this is exercise problem number 1. Rajesh, Rakesh and Mahesh were equal partners, sharing profits and losses equally. On 31st March 2019, their balance sheet was on as follows on 31st March 2019. Okay. The balance sheet is given to you. Rajesh died. Out of this, Rajesh died on 30 June 2019, and following adjustments were agreed upon. Furniture adjusted to the market price of 3,40,000. तो furniture को आपको tick marking करना है. Building depreciated by 10%. For building को भी tick marking करना है. Then provide 5% RDD on debtors, tick mark the debtors also. And number 4, the profit up to the date of death of Mr. Rajesh. This is very important. This is only called as the profit and loss suspense. आता त्याला सस्पेन्स का म्हणायचं हे मी तुम्हाला सगळं सांगणार आहे सोल्युशन करताना. The profit up to the date of death of Mr. Rajesh to be calculated on the basis of last year profit. Now here it is given on the basis of last year profit. It can be given on the basis of the average profit of last 2 years or average profit of last 3 years. असं काही पण देऊ शकतात. बरोबर. जे काही दिलंय त्याच्यानुसार करायचं. Here you can see the goodwill is not given to you. Nothing is given about goodwill. And now we are starting with the solution. I am requesting you all, already requested in the group, to prepare the accounts like this. ये आपके सामने है. Profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account. Okay. Please see the date of balance sheet. New balance sheet date is 1st July 2019. But why 1st July 2019? Look at the problem. The date of death is 30th June 2019. म्हणजे पार्टनरची डेथ कधी झाली? 30 जून 2019 ला. 30 जून 2019. मग त्याचा सेकंड डे नेक्स्ट डे घ्यायचा म्हणजे 1st July 2019. That's why the date of balance sheet is also important. Okay. In this problem, goodwill is not given to you, but profit up to the date of death of deceased partner, that is, we are going to calculate. For that purpose, adjustment is given to you. So I think you are ready. If not, okay, I'll wait for another 2 minutes and then we can start. तयार करून घ्या. मी तुम्हाला वेळ देतो थोडासा. I'm giving some time to you. Okay. Please prepare yourself and we can start with solution. तुमच्या सगळ्यांचं रोलिंग झालं की मला सांगा. आमचं झालं. So accordingly I can start with solution. Okay. You need to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and the balance sheet. You can prepare on one page also, if because that is very small one. If not, you can prepare one page profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, second page new balance sheet. नीचे वर्किंग नोट भी आने वाला है. वर्किंग नोट पण आपल्याला करावी लागणार आहे. Okay, I think now you are ready. First of all, the step number 1 is recording all the assets to balance sheet asset. Of course, building, furniture, data. वो तो inner column में आएगा. Stock and cash outer column में. By the way, there is no cash transaction, so cash will appear to balance sheet asset directly outer column. Land and building. Land and building. Inner column 4 lakh rupees. त्याला adjustment आहे. It is subject to adjustment. Furniture balance sheet asset 3 lakh rupees. Debtors balance sheet assets inner column 3 lakhs. Stock balance sheet assets outer column 1 lakh rupees. Then cash balance sheet assets outer column 1 lakh rupees. तो जिसको हमने टिक मार्किंग किया है उसको एडजस्टमेंट है, उसको इनर कॉलम में लिख के आपको एक एक लाइन छोड़ना पड़ेगा. Building 4 lakhs, leaving one line, then your furniture 3 lakhs, then again leaving one line, right? Debtors 3 lakhs, then stock outer column, no tick marking for stock and cash outer column में आएगा. Then capital account of partners Rajesh, Rakesh and Mahesh. You are supposed to read as a buy balance brought down. By balance brought down. 35 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees and 2 lakh rupees. Creditors, bills payable and bank loan, all these are liabilities. Okay, उसके लिए कोई adjustment नहीं है. Now leaving 2-3 lines, right? Creditors, sundry creditors are 90,000. Then bills payable, I'm writing B/P, short form is going 60,000. Bank loan, liability is the side, amount is a 1,50,000. So in this way, all the assets and liabilities are recorded. It is given that this Rajesh died on 30th June 2019. Out of 3 partners, the partner number 1, Rajesh, died. अभी डेथ हो गया तो कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता, डेथ तो डेथ ही है. Okay. So in that case, now what are the adjustments agreed? Number 1, furniture should be adjusted to the market value 3,40,000. मतलब फर्नीचर को हमको मार्केट वैल्यू एडजस्ट करना है. What is the market value of the furniture? Is a 3,40,000 और old value कितना है? 3 lakhs. There is appreciation, okay, of 40,000 rupees. Appreciation in the value of furniture is 40,000 rupees. To be recorded profit and loss adjustment account, the credit side by furniture. लक्षात ठेवा, हा प्रॉफिट आहे आणि प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस ऍडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट हा नॉमिनल अकाउंट आहे. लॉसेस आर डेबिटेड while profits are credited. मग काय झालं, फर्निचर पहिलं किती होतं? 3 lakhs, आता किती झाले? 3,40,000. सो इन्क्रीज बाय 40,000 rupees. Add in furniture and profit and loss adjustment debit. Land and building depreciated by 10%. So 10% depreciation. Depreciation is a loss. Depreciation is a loss. So outer column now is 3,60,000. Less from land and building, and profit and loss adjustment account debits related to land and building. Land and building. Then there is a 10% RDD on debtors. RDD, that is a reserve for doubtful debts. When some of our customers are doubtful, they may or may not pay us. So that is also our loss. So there is a 5% RDD. 5% of 3 lakhs is a 15,000 rupees. Outer column now 2,85,000. Less from debtors. And as it is a loss, profit and loss adjustment account debit side. So look at point number 5. This is carefully वाचा, carefully वाचा. Profit up to the date of death of Mr. Rajesh to be calculated on the basis of last year profit, which was 1,80,000. Now, what do you mean by this? This is called as a profit and loss suspense. Okay. So write a working note. Working note below balance sheet, write a working note. The title of the working note is profit and loss suspense. Okay. Now, from date of balance sheet given in the problem, that is 31st March 2019 to date of death, which is 30th June 2019. Okay, how many months are there? That is 3 months. How 3 months? म्हणजे काय माहिती का बघा, आपल्या बॅलन्स शीटची डेट काय आहे? 31st March 2019. डेट ऑफ डेथ काय आहे? 30th June 2019. म्हणजे 31st March म्हणजे मार्च गेला, एप्रिल, मे आणि जून. So Rajesh was in the business before his death for 3 months. उसका डेथ होने से पहले वो हमारे बिजनेस में 3 महीना था। अब 3 महीने ड्यूरिंग दिस 3 months, what is the profit earned by the firm? We don't know. मालूम नहीं है. That's why it is calculated on the basis which is given in the adjustment number 4. That is on the basis of last year profit. Okay. As we don't know the exact amount of the profit earned during these 3 months, this is called as a profit and loss suspense. मतलब उसमें सस्पेंस क्या है? 3 महीने का प्रॉफिट हमको मालूम नहीं है, हम लोग कैलकुलेट करने वाले हैं on the basis of given, okay, base. Now, what is the last year profit? Last year profit given to you. Last year profit is a 1,80,000. Okay, but this is for full year. This is for full year. We want to calculate only for 3 months. आपल्याला 3च महिन्याचा कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे. मग कसं करायचं? 3 की 3 चोक 12 आणि 4 ने डिवाइड केलं, so you are getting answer 45,000 rupees. 3 4s are 12 and 1,80,000 upon 4, you are getting the amount 45,000. This is 3 months profit. Out of that, we are going to calculate only Rajesh share, okay, in profit. बस राजेश का ही शेयर निकालना है. Now 45,000 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Why 1 upon 3? Why 1 upon 3? Because they are equal partners. Now 3 partners equal. Okay, मतलब देखो ये प्रॉफिट 3 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. 1 2 3 divided by 3. So 45,000 into 1/3, that is divided by 3, you are getting the amount 15,000 rupees. This is the profit only to be given to deceased partner. बाकी किसी को नहीं मिलने वाला है. और इसका इफेक्ट कहाँ पे आएगा? Right, the by profit and loss suspense. In the column of only Rajesh, only Rajesh, only Rajesh, only Rajesh. And second effect is balance sheet assets. Second effect is balance sheet assets. Profit and loss suspense. 15,000. So remember that profit and loss suspense is actually credited to deceased partner's capital and to be recorded to balance sheet asset. Asset पे जाने वाला है. Here is the end of the problem. How will you close this? कसं क्लोज करायचं? Debit total is more than credit total. It is 55,000 minus 40,000. And the debit balance of profit and loss adjustment account is a loss. It is a loss to be transferred to all partners equally. Rajesh, Rocket, not Rocket, Rakesh, okay, and Mahesh. मग तिघांना इक्वली कसा वाटायचा? डिवायडेड बाय 3, 5,000 each. Rupees 5,000 each. By capital, debit side la 2 profit and loss adjustment account. Don't confuse in between profit and loss suspense and adjustment. ये profit and loss adjustment account है. Profit and loss suspense is coming according to working note. And write in the column of Rajesh 5,000, Rakesh 5,000, Mahesh 5,000. ओके. आता सगळ्यात पहिलं काय करायचं माहिती का, राजेशचा कॅपिटल अकाउंट क्लोज करायचा. मेले कौन, राजेश. हु इज अ डिसीज पार्टनर, राजेश. तो उसका पहले अकाउंट आपको क्लोज करना पड़ेगा. So let us close down Rajesh capital account first. It is 5,15,000 minus 5,000. Okay. Now here the difference is to be transferred. What to write? तिथं काय लिहायचं बघा. Okay. To Rajesh, executors, loan account. Now 5,15,000 minus 5,000. The amount is 5,10,000 rupees. Okay, 5,10,000. This is difference. Well, Rajesh capital account is balance. मतलब हमने balance किया. Credit total minus debit total. What is the amount coming? Is the 5,10,000. मैंने शायद 51,000 लिखा है. I will write it again very properly for you. Okay, there is a little space, but still I will manage. 5,10,000. 5,10,000. And this is to be recorded to liability side. Rajesh, executor, loan account. It is 5,10,000. Rajesh, executor, loan account 5,000. 5,10,000. Okay. And then for surviving partners, remaining partners, close down their capital account. उनका capital account भी आपको close करना है. The total 2 lakhs, credit total is more. 2 lakh for this Rakesh and 2 lakh for Mahesh. 2 lakh and 2 lakh. And the difference you write as a 2 balance, carried down. Okay. Now 2 lakh minus 5,000. The difference is 1,95,000 for Rakesh. 1,95,000 for Mahesh. म्हणजे आता बघा राकेश तर गेला. राकेश इज अ डिसीज पार्टनर, बरोबर का नाही. राकेश तो गया. मग रिमेनिंग पार्टनरचा कॅपिटल बॅलन्स हा आपल्याला लायबिलिटी साइडला लिहायचा आहे. बिकॉज दे आर रिमेनिंग पार्टनर. यू कॅन से रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स, कंटिन्यूइंग पार्टनर्स और surviving partners. But surviving partners word is utilized only in the case of death of partner, not retirement. Right here in the liability side, capital account of Rakesh, 1,95,000 inner column. Mahesh, 1,95,000 inner column. And total in the outer column 3,90,000. आणि आता टॅली करायचं. Now make your balance sheet tally. It is getting tendered by 12 lakh rupees. 12 lakh is the total of the balance sheet. Complete Karungia. I am giving you some time to complete the question. Okay, so that's all for today. So today we started with the new chapter number 5 and we have solved one exercise problem also. हमने एक exercise problem भी complete किया है. Okay. I am going to upload the same in the app. App में भी जाएगा तो आपको अपने आप समझ में आएगा. App में जाएगा तो. Okay. Now those students who are new attending the lecture for the first time or second time, they are requested to see the lectures very, very carefully in the app. आपको ऐप में लेक्चर अच्छी तरह से देखना चाहिए. Okay. So friends, let us meet tomorrow. कल मिलते हैं. Now from tomorrow I will solve 2 problems on board. 2 problems. Exercise 2 problems. Okay. Bye everybody.